Преди време, не много отдавна,
Okay, I came to make sure you have
живеехме
everything ready for the first day of school.
свят.
Knapsack?
Разкошни дворци
Water
и
bottle?
величествени приеми. Годината беше
What about your clothes?
1916.
Okay, okay.
И
I'll go lay out my
синът ми,
clothes.
Николай,
I don't know how you can be so calm about the first day of
Last
school.
question.
It always gets me really, really excited.
I know, it really is a big day. But I know everything will be okay because I'll be wearing my lucky socks. That's weird. I can only find one.
Oh no!
Здравейте,
You have to
Софи.
have those lucky socks.
Празнувахме
Without them, something awful might happen. Like you'll catch a cold or glue your hair to your desk, or even the teacher won't let us sit together.
Тази нощ нямаше по-ярка звезда
Think so?
от нашата
I know
мила
so.
Анастасия.
You need those lucky socks.
Най-малката ми внучка.
Oh my gosh, my lucky hairband.
Тя ме
Gotta go.
молеше да не се връщам в Париж. И аз си направих специален подарък, за да можем да преживеем по-лесно
Ready to
раздяла.
go get your new school shoes?
Mom, I've lost one of my lucky socks. And I've got to find it before tomorrow.
Why don't you look for it when we get back?
Okay, Mom.
Любимата ми
We'll be back soon.
Можеш да си я пускаш преди да заспиш. И да си представяш, че е аз.
Gee, Daffodil, we have to help